Welcome to
Fun for Kids.
Like, share, subscribe.
Let's have fun!
Let's learn the letter L. Sing with me and spell it well. L for lion, brave and strong. Roar so loud the whole day long. L for lamp, shining bright. Lights our room at night, night, night. L for leaf, green and small. Falls down gently in the fall. L for lollipop, sweet and round. Yummy colors all around. L for lemon, yellow and sour. Pucker up, wow, what a power. L for ladder, tall and high. Climb up slowly to the sky. L for ladybug, red with dots. Tiny wings and little spots. L for lamb, soft and white. Baba says hello so bright. L for lock, click and tight. Keeps our treasure safe and right. L for lion cub, cute and small. Plays and tumbles one and all. Now we learned the letter L. Great job, kids, you did so well.